Hello, this is Michael from PG Mustard, and I'm going to show you the easiest ways of getting nicely formatted query plans from DBeaver. So we are running Postgres 18 locally here on a Mac, and I'm going to run explain and analyze with a bunch of other parameters that I recommend using on a relatively simple looking query that does a bit more behind the scenes so that we do get a bit of structure in our query plan. So I've just executed that, and we're currently in the text view, and we can see a text format explain plan. So if I Command A, Command C, or copy and paste that into a tool, you get a bit of extra formatting, but PG Mustard will handle this, and a lot of tools do. You can get back that source here, and back in DBeaver, the grid will also will actually provide slightly nicer formatting. So Command A, Command C again. And if we paste that in here, in fact, if I show you in the text editor, you can see nothing extra, none of that kind of tabular looking formatting that was in the text view, and nice indentations. So our structure is intact here for the text format explain. So that's probably the easiest way, using the grid view, but the text view will work. If we switch to JSON format, so we've added an extra parameter to our explain, that's the only change. In fact, well, should be the only change. Let's make it the only change. We get JSON format. Now in the text view, this won't work in PG Mustard because of this extra formatting. I can show you that in the text editor. So yeah, you can see these kind of paragraph symbols, but in the grid view works perfectly. So if we copy paste that, you should see we get lovely formatted JSON. Alternatively, if you do prefer the text format, you can use this value. Click anywhere here and you'll get the full JSON format, nicely formatted. So if I paste that or into PG Mustard, you'll see it. It's perfect. So yeah, the only issue would be copy and pasting from the text view in JSON format, but other than that, everything works nicely from DBeaver. I would avoid using their export option for these plans. It can add some extra formatting, and if you're not careful, it can also crop rows at a certain length if you don't increase that. So generally speaking, I would just copy paste out of the grid view if possible. So yeah, good luck. Take care. Bye.